Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10 or 11 in laptop. So guys, if you want to update Windows 10 or 11 in laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. Type here Settings. Open Settings. After click on Update and Security, left panel here option Windows Update. And guys, here option Future Update to Windows 10 version 21H2. The next version of Windows is available with new features and security improvements. When you ready for the update, select download and install. So if you want to version update, so click on download and install. And after wait for complete update and restart your PC. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to update Windows 10 or 11 in laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching.